everybody. We're going to take a look at my next kit for the Button Farm Club. It's summertime and we have all those wonderful patriotic holidays coming down the pike. So we're going to be working with some red, white, and blue, and we're going to make some really fantastic projects. I think you're going to like it. So let me just turn this camera around. All right, guys, here we are. We're going to be working with Carta Bella's fabulously patriotic God Bless America collection. I fell in love with this collection the minute I saw it. So in your kit, you're going to get the entire 12 by 12 collection kit, which has the sticker sheet with these wonderful banners. I love this vintage fire truck, all these wonderful flags and patriotic images. And these are heavy cardstock stickers. And then you're going to get 12 sheets of the designer paper. And let me tell you, this collection is just so beautiful. And I can see it used for things beyond just Memorial Day, Flag Day, 4th of July. Anyone who loves red, white, and blue, and let's face it, red, white, and blue just works. It's such a strong color statement. So you're going to get 12 by 12 sheets, and I'll flip this. We'll look at the other side. 3 by 4 cards, 4 by 6 cards, this wonderful sheet of the Star Spangled Banner, rockets, 4 by 4 cards, this floral, which I'm just crazy about, flags, these sweet patriotic planters, more 4 by 6, and there's that fire truck again, rosettes, bunting, and then this wonderful border strip. In addition to the 12 by 12 that come in the kit, I also ordered up 2 extra of the 4 by 6 and the borders because I thought those would come in handy. Then if that's not enough, you're also going to get 6 sheets of the heavy duty cardstock that is color matched to the collection. I just always love working with a color matched cardstock, and this is nice heavy cardstock for us. So all these wonderful shades. And then you're going to get a 12 by 12 sheet of medium weight chipboard. This is the perfect weight to work with. You're going to get 2 yards of lipstick red seam binding. You're going to get 3 yards of burlap string, 1 yard each of white, red, and blue. You're going to get this gorgeous pack of Little Birdie Danica flowers. This comes with the foliage, the rosebuds, butterfly, all those lovely bits. You're also going to get the Ephemera Pack, which I'll just turn this around so you can see. All of these wonderful ephemera bits come in this, and these make it so much fun to build layers. And then also frames and tags, which I love. So that, and then look at these charms. Are they not fabulous? Enameled charms, a star and a heart, red, white, and blue. So perfect. So what are we going to make? Well, hang around, come back in a minute, and I'll show you. All right, guys, here it is, the finished kit. And I have to tell you, I know I say this every time, but this is a favorite. I am loving this. I'm calling this our Patriotic Celebration Kit. So we'll go ahead and start with our little album. And this is a really good sized album. This is 6 by 9 by 3. And we've layered up our papers. In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to make handmade rosettes and these adorable handmade pinwheels. Here's our spine, and here's the back. It's got a ribbon closure, and then when you open it up, there's a great big box pocket over here because we're making a banner. So over here, we've got our little flip page, and we've got 3 4 by 6 images, and you can add photos on the back. These live right in this little side pocket. Just like that. Then this flips out, and here's another pocket with a room for a photo, and then this cute little accordion fold with room on the back for photos. Then in the center, we've got a nice waterfall with lots of room for journaling and photos. This paper collection is so pretty. So you can put your family's summer pictures in there. And then this is just decoration. This would look really cute at a lake house, I think. I love this old fire engine. All right. Then the second project is this wonderful exploding box. So I was thinking home decor. And we're going to learn how to make this exploding box. Look at these sweet little enamel charms and our flowers. Then it opens like this. And look at that. It has a pop-up on the inside. See that? So there you go. And then all of these little flaps open up and you have room for more photos. Little tags in here, journaling spots, another little photo place here, and then it folds up and you set it out for display. I think it is so cute, and I love how completely contained it is in this little box. So again, something you can pack away and bring out every year. And then I did a bonus tutorial showing you how to make these two beautiful cards, which are also great on display or you can give as gifts. This one has a pocket with little tags made from our scraps, and the tags have pockets. And they live right in here. I love this lemonade theme for summer. It's so refreshing. And then a little gift card wallet in here with room to write a little note. And then this card is 5 by 5.5 by 5.5. Love this image. Beautiful to set out for home decor. A little pocket up here with some little tags. And then down here, another little pocket with just a little tag. Always ideas for you to use up your scraps. So that is the kit. It is available at Button Farm Club. I will put the link in the description box below. If you get it now, you'll have it ready for the 4th of July. All right, guys, thanks so much for joining me. Bye.